SBF Metal Protect, extreme corrosion protection for your motorcycle. Professionally applied for unrivaled anti-corrosion and rust protection. Keep that straight from the showroom look on your motorcycle with longer lasting protection. A large percentage of your motorcycle is exposed metal and alloys, which are under attack from moisture, road salt, and other corrosive elements. This can cause rust and corrosion to your motorcycle. Trust SBF Metal Protect to provide a durable, long-lasting, non-sticky, soft surface film that gives your motorcycle's metal surfaces class-leading protection. In test after test, SBF Metal Protect sets unrivaled standards. Give your motorcycle the protection it deserves with professionally applied SBF Metal Protect. As part of the protection, you will receive a care pack, which includes a drawstring bag, additional SBF Metal Protect for reapplication, a multi-purpose spray and chain loop. SBF Metal Protect, extreme corrosion protection powered by XCP.